How the stock market work? Still think the stock market is only for the rich or expert? Wrong. Because today, no matter where are you live in the Europe countries, you are about to understand how the stock market actually work in way and so simple, so clear that even if you are never heard of it before, you will walk away ready to start your journey towards financial freedoms. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know step by step with zero boring theory. Exactly is the stock market and what are shares and how do you actually become the part owner of top companies like Apple, Amazon or Tesla. Number 3, how the stock market works behind the scenes in real life, not textbook style. Number 4, how the start investing in your country, USA, Australia, New Zealand, Europe with simple apps or brokers. Number 5, what are the real risks and how to protect your money. Number 6, smart beginners tips 90 of new investor miss and a secret bonus tip at the end of this video just for you. So don't click away, watch this video till the end because we got special offer that only revealed in the final minute, something that could literally save your $100 when you start investing. Let's say you are and your four friend order a big pizza, but instead of one person eating it all, you decide to cut into 5 equal slices and each friend gets one slice. Now everyone owns a piece of the pizza. That's exactly how the stock market works. You own a slice of something big. Now imagine instead of a pizza, it's a big company like Apple, Coca-Cola. These companies are so big. They cut themselves into thousands, sometimes millions of teeny pieces called shares. And